Good afternoon, Ambassador.
Good afternoon.
So, Ambassador Oyeyemi Fati is the president of the Yoruba community in Greater Accra. He joins us now on the program to discuss the story. Thank you, Ambassador, for joining us.
Thank you for having me on the program.
Yes. So, firstly, do you see the demolition of Nigerian mission in Accra, Ghana, as an attack on Nigeria?
Yes, it's an attack on Nigeria. When you look at the Vienna Convention 1961, our premises belongs to the sovereignty of Nigeria.
Okay.
Wherever you find, likewise, Ghana's land in Nigeria belongs to the Ghanaian people. So any attack on our premises, especially the premises of our High Commissioner,
Yes.
is an attack on Nigeria.
So, this is a rather surprising incident involving Nigeria and Ghana, who are long-term allies. What does this say of their diplomatic relations?
Yes, as for now, the response is positive from both governments.
Okay.
The government of Ghana, they are doing everything possible according to them, and they've promised to look into it, investigate, and apprehend those behind the demolition of the mission house.
Okay.
We don't just want investigation, we want commitment from them.
Yes, yes.
Ghana pride itself as a lawful country, a country that believes in law and the constitution. We believe as well. So they should prove to us that anybody cannot just take law into their hands and do what they like in the name of any reason.
Yes. Nigeria has condemned the incident on Sunday. The foreign minister, Geoffrey Onyema, made this known in a series of tweets. But many people are saying a more stricter stance should have been taken, as Nigeria prides itself as the giant of Africa. What do you have to say about this?
Yes, we are the giant of Africa. Even when we are sleeping, we are still the giant of Africa. The economy of Nigeria speaks to that.
Yes.
The manpower in Nigeria speaks to that. Our spirits of never say no speak to that. And our brain speaks to that. We are still the giant of Africa.
Yes.
I think what has happened is just a mere incident from some unscrupulous people to bring problem between the two nations. They don't care what might arise from their decision, but I know that it will not affect our diplomatic relation. I know.
Yes, hopefully. Ambassador, I know you had a meeting with the Nigerian Acting High Commissioner there in Accra. Did he say anything about the comments from the Ghanaian authorities that they will investigate? What do you make of this?
Yes, our lady Acting High Commissioner never said anything about that because, they have the channel in which they communicate their grievances among each other as a diplomatic mission. I believe they will be waiting for the federal government of Nigeria to respond for them to take action or to know what to do next. Okay. And since Ghana has apologized and promised to look into it, let's give them benefit of doubt. Let's look at things. We are brothers and sisters, we are sisters, we are one. I don't know the difference between you as a Ghanaian and myself as a Nigerian. There's no any difference between us. So I believe we should give our leaders a chance to do what is necessary.
Yes, sir. Finally, Nigerians are asking the federal government for a reprisal attack on the Ghanaian facilities in Nigeria. What is your stand on this?
I say no to that.
Okay.
As a peace ambassador, I will not subscribe or endorse any reprisal attack in any form. Ghana and Nigeria we are brothers. We are the same thing.
Yes.
Apart from some elements, some few people trying to foment problems, most especially when you read into the system in Ghana, every election year, some group of people always come up with things just to tie the hand of government. It's a normal thing. We know the system. So this will not cause Nigeria or Nigerians to attack any of Ghanaian facility back home. We know some of the facilities, both in Lagos and Abuja. Nobody will touch it. And I know, by the grace of God and with our assurance, I know who we have. We have those children are normal people. They are not lawless. Nobody is going to attack Ghanaians or Ghanaian facility in Nigeria.
Okay, sir. So please, any closing remarks you have about this whole situation?
Yes, I just want to urge the good people of Ghana and Nigeria to speak out and condemn this hostility. Attack on Nigeria mission is against international law and it's against the Vienna Convention, which Ghana sign onto. We should speak in one voice. What is bad is bad. What is wrong is wrong. If this thing happened in Nigeria against Ghana, we'll condemn it as well. So we should always condemn what is bad, so that we will not encourage other people to do likewise and think nothing will happen to them. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for being here. God
Thank you
bless
for having me.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. God bless you. I appreciate it.